Happy Christmassy Countdown! This is THEdraya, and for Dreya's Christmassy time today, I want to talk about a few of my favorite things. So I've got a lot of Christmas stuff. I'm pretty well known for having a Whoville-esque house at the holidays, but you know, I make Christmas music, and Christmas is just a magical time, and those of you who know I love magic and magical things and fiestas and all things that are glittery, sparkly, and wonderful. So I would like to talk about two of my favorite things I saw this year that I couldn't live without or wait for the clearance racks for, and here they are. 1. Merry Grinchmas material flags. Love it! A Merry Grinchmas. Haha. And 2. Sweet scent home spray. So yum. I love this smell. Often I like to get things from obscure locations, and I get a lot of really cool gifts. So I like garage sales and auctions and clearance racks. But one of the coolest things I was ever gifted, I want to show at the end of this clip, because I have been dragging these things around through so many moves over almost 2 decades that were given to me by a good friend. Thank you to my fabulous friend Lisa, who gave me this amazing Santa and Mrs. Claus couple. They are animatronic, they move, and the only way they could be better is if they played some she, them Christmas music while they moved. So I hope you found a couple of cute things that you just had to have that now have become part of your favorite things. Happy holidays! THEdraya!